Welcome back to another video. Today we have the TP-Link USB Type-C to RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet network adapter. This is a great tool for making a wired Ethernet connection for about any device that has a USB-C port. It's capable of providing up to 1 gigabit network speeds. It's compatible with most operating systems and it's plug and play. So let's get it out the box and check it out. Here's the USB-C port for my laptop. This particular laptop doesn't have any Ethernet ports for a wired connection, but we're going to use this adapter here to fix that and connect to the internet. Just plug this device into your USB-C port. Connect your LAN RJ45 Ethernet to the adapter. Now the network is connected and you can access the internet. This adapter works great for connecting a USB-C device to the internet without Wi-Fi, and it's plug and play for most devices. I picked this adapter up on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out.